Hello and welcome back to another recipe video from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a cheesecake inside of an Easter egg. Really delicious, and kind of is going to try and be probably the slimmest version because I know there's a lot of other recipe videos out there. So I'm going to try and make this as slimming and as guilt-free as possible. So firstly you will need an Easter egg. So I've kind of got one here that is going spare. Who'd have thought? So I'm going to crack open one of these and only use half a shell of an Easter egg. You're going to need 2 Oreo biscuits that you're going to scrape the middle out of, and we're only going to use the biscuits as a bit of a base. You're also going to need some quark as well, and it's kind of a cheese, kind of smooth cheese that we're going to use for that. Because this is going to be a chocolate cheesecake, because chocolate cheesecake inside a half an Easter egg has to be chocolate, right? We're going to flavour that with some Choc Shot as well. So we're going to have a couple of teaspoons of that to flavour the quark to make it a bit more chocolatey. And then also you're going to sweeten that up with some sweetener, and also we're going to use some decoration as well. So I've gone for more teasers and perhaps some magic stars as well. Some quark as well. Dog did decide to have a drink at the same time. To flavour the quark to make it a bit more chocolatey, throwing it on the floor.